Have you heard about ArcGIS Workflow Manager? It is an application that helps teams organize GIS work as structured, repeatable workflows. Instead of tracking work through documents or informal process, everything is defined, tracked, and completed in one place. In this GeoSnap, I will walk you through the three main areas of Workflow Manager: design, manage, and work. By the end, you will know how these areas work together and where to start. The Design tab is where workflows are created and maintained. Click Edit to activate the workflow diagram you want to work on. This is where you define how a specific type of GIS work should move from start to finish. Each workflow is made up of steps, transitions, and rules that describe what needs to happen and in what order. For example, in this workflow, I include a step to check for duplicate report, where the users can only answer yes or no. If the answer is yes, the workflow ends. If the answer is no, the job automatically moves on to the next step. Instead of treating work as a single task, Workflow Manager breaks it down into a series of clearly defined steps. These steps can range from general actions to more advanced decision-based steps, and each step can be configured to control user input and what happens next. This allows teams to standardize how work is carried out, while still supporting more complex logic when it's needed. Once a workflow is defined, the Manage tab is where it becomes active work. Here, workflows are instantiated as job. Each job represents a real piece of work and includes key information like status, priority, and assignment. From this view, managers and team members can quickly see what work existed, who's responsible, and where each job is in the process. Manage tab provides visibility across all ongoing work without needing separate tracking tools. Finally, the Work tab is where users focus on execution. This tab shows only the jobs and steps that are assigned to the current user. Even within the same team, each user sees a different set of work. Instead of figuring out what to do next, users simply walk through the items defined in the Work tab. Each work item includes details such as the current status, priority, or current step. Each work represents a clear assigned action, helping users stay aligned with the overall process. As works are completed, the job moves forward automatically. In summary, the Design tab defines the workflow, the Manage tab keeps jobs on track, and the Work tab puts the process into action, so teams can move work forward with clarity and consistency. Check out this documentation for a detailed explanation.